It wasn't easy trying to dance like a kingfisher, but Miss Lily showed us how to copy the way they move. Birds move in lots of different ways because they're all unique. Just like these glove puppets. I wonder what they're chattering about. Anastasia's being a stork, and she's doing a step called the stork walk. I wonder what Toby's being. He's got his nose in the air and he's strutting. And he's got lovely plumage. I know! He's being a peacock. Charlotte is fluttering her wings very, very fast and she's moving very quickly. She's being a hummingbird. That silly walk reminds me of something. I know! Antonia's being a penguin. Antonia, Charlotte and Paloma are all pretending to be the same kind of bird. One that sticks its neck out when it's walking. They're pretending to be chickens. Little Scarlet and Anastasia are eggs that are hatching. That's very funny. It must have been fun being a chicken, but I think I'll stick to being a kingfisher like Scarlet.